Before the lights come on, you're already fixing yesterday and planning for tomorrow. As a facility manager, the pressure is constant. Systems to monitor, vendors to chase, crisis to contain. It can feel like the weight of an entire operation sits on your shoulders. When something breaks, leaks, or shuts down, everyone calls you. That's where TEPCON steps in. We self-perform select trades, giving you faster response times, greater control, and real-time accountability. Our average dispatch time is under 24 hours, and our 85% client retention rate speaks for itself. We don't just show up, we show up ready. Whether it's swapping out a lock, fast-turn tenant improvements, or complex ground-up construction, TEPCON delivers tailored facility solutions across occupied, secure, and business-critical spaces. We stay nimble because we keep key trades in-house. From drywall to electrical to finish work, ensuring precision, speed, and trust from day one. Every TEPCON team member is background checked, drug tested, and trained to operate with professionalism and discretion. Because we respect the spaces you operate in and the people you serve. Safety, teamwork, and respect aren't just our values, they're built into everything we do. We support your capital planning, deliver value-added services, emergency needs, and maintain the relationship long after the dust settles. At TEPCON, relationships matter. Stop juggling vendors and start trusting one partner. Take the first step and send us your pre-qualification packet today.